Hi, my name is Nneka and I'm the head of delegation for the Antigua and Barbuda delegation to the UN CBD COP15, NP COP4, and CP COP10. At the opening ceremony, I gave a statement on behalf of 38 small island developing states present at the meeting, which called for the spirit of compromise and in asking parties to, in their negotiations, remember that SIDS are at the forefront of a triple planetary crisis as it relates to our biodiversity. We asked in the statement that there be special recognition paid to the fact that over half of the species that have gone extinct in the last couple hundred years have been island species, and also for them to consider the fact that biodiversity loss means a lot more than just extinct species. It also threatens our way of survival. We rely on our biodiversity and our ecosystems to provide us protection from hurricanes and other natural disasters, and their destruction is literally causing us to struggle or fight harder to be more resilient and to recover and to rebuild every year. So in this statement that I would have made at the opening ceremony, I also asked for parties to remember the special circumstances of small island developing states and recall Article 20 of the Convention on Biological Diversity, which speaks specifically to the circumstances of small island developing states.